How to use Spectrum Xumo remote. Connect the Zumo stream box, plug the HDMI cable into your TV, and the power adapter into an outlet. Ensure the device is within the remote's line of sight. Select the correct input. Turn on your TV and choose the appropriate HDMI input to view the Zumo interface. Pair the remote. During setup, follow on-screen prompts to pair the remote. If pairing doesn't initiate automatically, press and hold the 1 and 3 buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds until the LED flashes green. Activate voice commands. Press and hold the microphone button. Speak your desired command, e.g., play Breaking Bad, then release the button. Optimal voice usage. Hold the remote 1 to 8 inches from your mouth. Speak clearly at a natural volume, and ensure minimal background noise for better recognition. Navigate the interface. Use the directional pad, up, down, left, right, to browse menus. Press OK to select highlighted options. Control volume and playback. Adjust volume using the plus/minus buttons and control playback with the play/pause button. Quick access buttons. Some remotes feature dedicated buttons for apps like Netflix or Hulu. Pressing them launches the respective app instantly. Reset unresponsive remote. If the remote isn't working, replace the batteries. To reset, hold the left arrow and plus buttons for 3 seconds until the LED turns green, then press 9, 8, 4. Check internet connection for voice commands. Voice commands require an internet connection. By following these steps, you can effectively use your Spectrum Xumo remote to enhance your viewing experience. That's it. Thanks for watching.